Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In this video, I'll be doing my first impression on the new Beige Cosmetics Desert Oasis eyeshadow palette. I've been reviewing so many palettes this week, so next week I'm going to upload my makeup updates because first impressions don't do justice. So it's always good to give you guys updates on the products that I reviewed here on my channel. So here's the beautiful palette from Beige Cosmetics. I wasn't going to purchase this palette, but I just couldn't pass it up because I love most of the palettes and the brushes from Beige Cosmetics. So this one retails for $22. That's very inexpensive. So here is the packaging right here. I love the gold and brown combination, and yes, this mirror right here. So these are the highlighters. They are super glittery, very shimmery. And here are the eyeshadows. The only bad thing about this palette, it only has 5 matte shades. Yeah, there's only 5 matte shades and like 9 shimmery shades. So it's the only bad thing. I just wish it had more matte shades. So these 2 shades right here are eyeshadows, but you could also use these as bronzers, and I think they are really nice. So I'm going to swatch the brown shades. As you can see, guys, they are very buttery and creamy. Wow, Beige Cosmetics. Oh my goodness, I love Beige Cosmetics so much because their products are so affordable and so high quality. So I'm going to prime my eyes and I'll be right back. I just primed my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone. I did not set the primer. Now starting off with the shade Canyon, and I'm going to use the Beige Cosmetics Pro Studio brush. I highly recommend their Pro Studio brushes and their vegan brushes because they're way better than their other brushes. Most of the brushes are sold out right now, so you're gonna have to wait when they are going to restock the brushes. So let's go and apply the shade Canyon because I talk too much. So here. So next I'm going to take the shade Nightscape. This is a cool tone gray. It's a black grayish shade with the Morphe M33 brush. Looks kind of muddy a little bit. Oh. I'm going to carve out my lid with the Pro Concealer from LA Girl with the brush. I don't know what's the brand of this one. So this is like a generic brush, I think. So I have swatched some of the shimmery shades, as you can see. Oh my god, they're so glittery, so shimmery. Oh my god. So I think I'm going to use the blue shade. I know. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild brush. So I did not spray the brush. Apply it in the inner corner. And I'm going to take the shade Cactus. It's a duochrome shade, this one. This color right here. I went ahead and fixed my brows and put on lashes. I added the Stila liquid eyeshadow. I love their liquid eyeshadows. So the shade I have in here is the shade Kitten Karma, just the middle part of my lid, because the shade Cactus was lackluster, so I had to use this one. So now I am going to put on the primer. So I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer. So now I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation in the shade MN3, my favorite foundation from the drugstore. I'm almost finished with this one, so you could see. I'm dipping the one really hard to get the product out because I'm running out of this one. So for this sponge, I'm going to use the Pow sponge from ShopMiss A. I highly recommend their Pow sponges. For the concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, my favorite concealer at the moment. So this is the shade Warm Beige. Then I'm going to use the KKW concealer in number 6. I'm going to set my under eyes with the KKW brightening powder in the shade number 3. For my lower lashes, I'm going to use this dark brown shade with the Morphe pencil brush. Now I'm going to bronze up my face and taking this brown shade right here. This is called Canyon with the Beige Cosmetics contour brush. Oh wow, that's pretty. I'm going to use the Lumi Baked Blushes from ShopMiss A. I'm going to mix the shades Rose Dawn and Golden Apricot with the Beige Cosmetics blush brush. So next for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Mirage shade with the Beige Cosmetics brush. I couldn't find the other highlighting brush, so I'm just going to use this one. This is actually a blending brush. So here, ooh, oh my god, oh my god, that is pretty. Oh my god. So I'm going to swatch the highlighter so that you can see. So here, oh my goodness, these two shades right here are good for like deeper complexion. Oh my god, look at the highlighters, guys. I'm sorry if I keep looking that way because I'm looking at the flip screen. Oh my god, oh so pretty. It's giving me the wet look effect. Oh my god. Ooh, found the liquid lipstick from Beige Cosmetics. I'm going to use this one in the shade January. Oh my goodness, too. No, I don't think this is gonna work. So I'm just going to use another shade. So this is in the shade Serena. I'm going to top it off with the lip gloss from ColourPop Cosmetics in the shade Snow Day. I'm outside and this is how my makeup looks like in natural lighting. Oh my god. The highlighter. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So I'm going to tell you my initial thoughts on this palette. As you can see on my face, I'm very impressed with this palette. I highly recommend. For $22 you get 14 eyeshadows and 5 highlighters. The packaging is really nice, not too heavy, not too bulky. It has this mirror right here. You could use these two shades as bronzers or you could use them as eyeshadows. The only eyeshadow that was hard to blend was the shade Nightscape. It was hard to blend and it was very patchy and looked dirt on the lid, like muddy. The highlighters in here, they look very glittery, very shimmery on the pans, but once you use them, they are more on the wet look side, which I really love. You can see that on my face. I only use this one, this color Mirage, this one right here. The shimmery shades are very pretty too. They're so glittery, so shimmery, same as the highlighters. I had to use a damp brush just to intensify the eyeshadows, but overall I love this palette so much. I highly recommend this one. I will link it down on my description box below if you're interested. It's an affiliate link, meaning I'll get commission when you buy through my link. So this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.